Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. In July, YCloud introduced multiple updates across AI agent, analytics, team collaboration, and developer tools to help businesses manage AI better, improve customer communication, and optimize WhatsApp operations. First, YCloud CLI is available available. Businesses can use AI tools like Codex and Claude Code to quickly query and export contacts, inbox conversations, message logs, and other data for faster analysis and daily operations. For AI Agent, YCloud has improved control and flexibility. Businesses can now manage agent versions, preview changes, and roll back configurations without affecting live operations. They can also control available message formats to create more consistent AI interactions. AI recommendation now supports multiple languages, making AI optimization suggestions easier to use for global teams. AI Agent also supports unsubscribe workflows and silent responses for more flexible automation. For analytics, Template Insights now includes meta conversion data. Businesses can go beyond message performance and understand the real business impact of marketing campaigns. Inbox Analytics now includes resolution rate and first response time metrics to help teams measure service performance. Contact Notes also makes it easier for sales, support, and customer success teams to share customer information. For Shopify merchants, YCloud has improved ChatLink widget integration. Businesses can add WhatsApp entry points to their stores with simple configuration without editing code. From AI agent management to analytics and team collaboration, YCloud's July updates help businesses make AI more controllable, data more actionable, and WhatsApp operations more efficient. Follow YCloud for more WhatsApp business platform updates.